Top 3 money-wise tips on starting your own food business.
When you want to start your own food business, unahin po natin tinatawag natin na skills. Dapat may alam ka sa negosyo ng pagkain bago ka pumasok dito. As I always say, never get into something that you do not understand no matter how profitable it may be.
Halimbawa, Chings, please expound.
Para ka nagdadrive ng sasakyan. Pag hindi ka marunong mag-drive ng sasakyan, ano mangyari? Mababangga ka, madidisgrasya ka.
Ay, tama ka nga naman dyan, Chinky. But aside from the skills, napaka-importante rin that you have the passion, puso, heart, and love for cooking. Halimbawa, kasi pag meron kang passion, you love what you're doing, if you're passionate about what you do, you will have the patience to learn and earn the skills needed, and also to be motivated to face the challenges that come with being a business owner.
And my final tip for you is this. Sa mga foodpreneurs who want to start your own business, start small, but think big. By starting small, you'll be limiting your risk. At the same time, yung tinatawag natin yung operational expense. Yung overhead mo, kailangan bantayan mo on the first few months. And one example, instead of you renting a permanent food stall, why not get a mobile food stall first?
Ayun na nga, Chinky. Bagay na bagay dyan ang food truck. Mobility and versatility may be the advantage if you choose to have a mobile food truck instead of a food stall. You can be a canteen in front of a school early in the morning.
A lunch cafeteria in the afternoon sa mga government offices.
Oo, at siyangge merienda stand pagdating pa ng hapon.
At syempre naman, paglabasan naman, maraming tao uwian sa mga busy intersection.
Dinner time naman yon. Eh, hindi pa tapos ang hilig natin kumain. Be a midnight snack coffee truck for BPO workers in the wee hours of the morning. Ay, pamuringan na to. Oo.
Yes, Christine. And ang Tata Super Ace truck is perfect para dyan.
Yes, partner. With the Tata Super Ace, you will have the advantage of taking your food business literally places.
When it comes to running a business, it pays to be money-wise.